Definitely make this.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin.
My friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, I am going to be kind of quickly going through my evening routine with you. I have already kind of cooked, but I need to prepare it, and I'll show you what I mean in a bit. Also, I have a Sam's Club grocery haul. I'm sure there'll be like a little bit of cleaning motivation, that kind of thing. So if you are here for it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then definitely subscribe before you leave. I am 11 away from 1,000 subs, so I know you can help me get there. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm making smash burger tacos. So I have the, but they're baked, so a little bit more healthier than like the normal fry. And you basically make these crispy in the oven. So put a few of your corn tortillas, a few of these down on your cookie sheet. And I've already preheated the oven to 350. Some of these are broken, so I'm not gonna use those if I can help it. And then I'll lightly spray them with a little bit of olive oil spray, or if you just have like olive oil and one of those little spritzers, that will work as well. So just do this. And then I'm gonna bake them in the oven to get them kind of crispy for, let's say like 4 minutes on 350. So while that is cooking, I'm just gonna show you my like meat mixture over here. And this was supposed to originally be more, but when I took my ground turkey out of the fridge, half of it was frozen. So I can only use half the mixture, but it'll be fine because I also made like some potato wedges. But I'll show you. So the mixture is ground turkey, and I also use 1 whole sweet onion and 1 whole red onion. And I'll tell you what I season it with. Well, a little bit of like au jus packet, like gravy packet, I guess. Au jus, and then this Kinder's buttery burger blend. Okay, and then I made these earlier today, just some russet potatoes I cut into wedges, and I seasoned them with olive oil, ranch dry seasoning, and Parmesan cheese. Oh, and some paprika. And I just baked them in the oven. For the sauce, I just made a mixture of white mayo, ketchup, a little bit of mustard, some pickle juice, and Cajun seasoning. And it tastes amazing. And then you just need shredded cheese, and that's pretty much it. So I'll show you in a minute when I actually assemble everything.
I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly, I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly, I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. That girl knew.
Okay, now you're gonna spray them again, just a little bit, very lightly, and bake them in the oven for maybe 10 minutes. Okay, while that's in the oven, let's go ahead and do this quick Sam's Club haul. Okay, as I said, it's already nighttime, so I hope it's not too dark. It's 7:30. But, okay. All right, so first is this Jif peanut butter and chocolate squeezable. We've bought this so many times, just from like the regular store in a jar. I've never seen it in squeezable, and it's a 2-pack, and guess how much it was? $2.98. So yeah, you can't even beat that at all. Yeah, a few of my kids like this peanut butter and chocolate. So, and it says 50% less sugar, still 200 calories per 2 tablespoons, but I I think it's a good dip for like apples and, you know, even if you want to make a sandwich or whatever. And then tilapia. This was $15.75 and it was 2.5 pounds. So $6.48 a pound. Not bad. And then I bought these Special K, Special K bars, 100 calories each. They have strawberry and blueberry. And I think this was around $7 or $8. You know, I'm not gonna be able to go through every price because I don't remember every price, but I will like tell you what the total is at the end. So these baked really good. I love, this is my favorite one right there. 30 bags, and I think it's around 18 bucks. These paper plates, which I'm gonna be using tonight. Well, I probably won't use them tonight. I actually have more paper plates in my pantry, but I knew we were gonna be running out. So it was 85, and I think it was like $9 or $10. They always have like the little like seasonal kind, which I think is like super cute. Different kinds of designs or whatnot. Maybe I should move it back a little bit. I think that's a little bit better. These Smart Food white cheddar. I love these as well as the kids, and 50 bags in here. These are also good. Crispy, creamy wafer bars, strawberry with oat butter. Very good as well. I don't remember how much these were. This I tried. These are my treat, really. Dark chocolate keto clusters. And if you hear kids in the background, they're right here. They're supposed to be whispering, but they're not whispering very well. And my 10-year-old is reading to the 9-year-old reading a book. But anywho, dark chocolate keto clusters, quinoa pumpkin, sunflower seeds, pecans, and almonds. I thought these were actually really, really good. My husband tried them, he didn't like them, but I like them. Half a cup, only 150 calories. So I think this is a really good, healthy-ish, low calorie sweet treat. Gluten-free too, if you're on a gluten-free diet. And then I wasn't planning on getting this, but it's in a glass jar, avocado oil and 34 ounces. And this was only, I think, 10 bucks. So you can't beat it. Like, you literally cannot beat it. And then I ended up getting these. These would be really good for me for lunch. Loaded grilled chicken and guacamole. Actually, I don't think I even knew it had guacamole. Whatever, it's salads. But yeah, it says it has romaine lettuce, red cabbage, grilled seasoned white chicken, black beans, fire roasted corn, Monterey Jack, cheese, tortilla strips, crispy jalapeno, and red peppers, smoky chipotle, honey vinaigrette, and real guacamole. That sounds pretty good to me. Only 350 calories for the whole salad. Not bad. And then we got some organic green beans. I don't remember how much they were. Organic broccoli. Don't remember how much it was either. And then Brussels sprouts. This is funny. So if one of my sister-in-laws is watching this video, she'll know who she is. She got me started on Brussels sprouts, and that's our tacos are in the oven. Hold on. So they weren't crispy enough for me, so I put them back in the oven for 3 more minutes. But what I was saying was, one of my sister-in-laws, she got me started on Brussels sprouts. I never used to like Brussels sprouts. I never really used to eat them at all. But one Thanksgiving, she brought over like these maple cranberry Brussels sprouts. And I've made them before on one of my channels. I don't know if it's this one or if it's my cooking channel, which if you're not subscribed over there, you need to go over there too. I have not posted though in like a year. So I really, really, really need to post. Hopefully sometime this month, we'll see. But that is called Just a Lil Kick, L-I-L Kick. So go subscribe over there if you're not. But anyway, she got me started on these. And so now I make them a different like variation of Brussels sprouts, but I really, really like them. Yeah, I love them a lot now. So just these. What are these? Organic, just like the little baby carrots, which I like to eat these and broccoli raw sometimes with, I have like this yogurt ranch. It's a lower calorie ranch. It's like, I think 45 or 50 calories for like maybe 2 tablespoons or something. So yeah, If you don't know yet, now you know. I'm definitely on a health journey. I've been working out more, drinking more water, trying to lay off like the really fattening foods, exercising more. I already said that, whatever. Eating more healthy. So these right here, Wild Wonders Gourmet Medley tomatoes. They have all the like different colors and everything in there. They're pretty good. And then the oat milk. We used to always just get almond, but then we started buying the oat, and it is just so good and so creamy. It makes everything you make just a little bit better. Like I don't really eat like cereal or anything with it, because if I'm gonna eat cereal, I have to use like 2% lactate free. Is that what it's called? Lactose free milk, because we're lactose intolerant. And so that's what I use if I'm gonna eat cereal. But for anything else, I just use oat milk or almond milk. We got these Fig bars, these Belvitas, Wheat Thins. Love Wheat Thins, love Wheat Thins. So good. And then just a couple more things. It's 45 bags in there. There's our timer again. And then these popcorners. These are really good and delicious. This one is my absolute favorite. And these are they range from 120 to 140 calories a bag. So not bad. But not least, Chobani Flips. They have 4 s'more, 4 strawberry cheesecake, cookies and cream, and then 4 cookie dough. So, all right, that is it. Oh, and I bought, it was a 2-pack of these like olive oil baking spray. So that's it. Let's go check on our tacos.
Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt.
These look delicious. Some of them are obviously a little overstuffed like that. Ooh. But they look amazing. And then you serve them with a little bit of that dipping sauce. Okay, so I made extra sauce so that you can, you know, dip it or whatever, but looks so good. There's the caramelized onion in there, the sauce, the cheese. Fairly low calorie too, because we baked it instead of frying, and we used corn instead of flour. Low calorie ground turkey. So definitely make this, and if you do, let me know how you like it.
I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been to her before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been to her before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my
keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof.
That's pretty much all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's definitely a different video than what I think typically do, but I'm just going to finish putting the rest of the food away, wiping down the counters, and I think that's it. So hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.